Hey, welcome to the channel, guys. So today we'll see where does saved items from OBS go. So basically where you can find the recorded video from OBS Studio, whether you are using Mac or Windows. I'm using Mac, so I'm going to show you where it goes. So pretty much similar thing if you are even using Windows. Go to settings, go to output, then you can see the recording part here. For me, it's user and then movies. Okay, so how we can find it? Go to Finder, go to user, go to movies. That's where we can find it. In the Windows itself, this is the same way you can know. Cool. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.